Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to install multiple Mac OSs on your Mac computer. This method works much better than using boot camps or virtual machine like parallel desktop. Those still have some functions that it doesn't work well. But with this method here, it works like you have different Mac computers with different version of Mac OSs. So to install multiple Mac OSs on your Mac computer, first you need to go to Spotlight and you type disk utility, or you can just go to other here and then find disk utility here, but it's faster if you just type in command space to activate Spotlight and type in disk utility. And you can see here currently I'm having two main drives. One is Macintosh HD, that's my main drive, and then this is Fusion Drive 2. That is the drive I created to install this Mac OS. So this Mac OS is macOS Catalina, and the other drive here, Macintosh HD here, I install macOS High Sierra because to me that's still the best Mac OS for me. That's why I still keep it. But I also install macOS Catalina on the other drive. And if you want to install, let's say, macOS Big Sur on the third drive, you need to create it first. So simply by just going to partition, and then you click plus here in order to create another partition for it. So this is the space for Macintosh HD. This is the blank one that you want to install another Mac OS on it. So you can just drag how big you want it to be. Let's put 100, so 100 gigabytes. And usually you leave it like this, Mac OS extended journal, to install the new Mac OS. And the size is 100 gigabytes. You can name this like Mac OS Big Sur, and then click apply and click partition so that it will resize Macintosh HD here, the main drive. Click partition here. It will start the process of creating a new partition for you to install another Mac OS. Okay, now you can see the operation is successful. Click done. And now you have one more drive. This drive is 100 gigabytes. So you can install macOS Big Sur or whatever macOS that you have. Let me give you an example. So let's say my computer right now is running macOS High Sierra, and then I want to install macOS Catalina on another partition that I've just created. So we just double click on macOS Catalina installation file and click continue. Click agree again. And now it says show all disk to see all the disks available that you can install. So you can see there are three options right now. So the one that I haven't installed anything on it yet that we have just created is macOS Big Sur. Click there, click install, and you're good to go. Okay, that's it guys. This is how you can install multiple Mac OSs on one Mac computer. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe for more useful videos in the future. Have a great day guys. See you in the next video.